All right, yes, I would like to welcome you guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Yes, thank you so much for watching me, and I would like to thank you. Thank you so much to be with us and to be with me ever since we started, because sometimes I always do it with my team. And here it is. I'm like to welcome you and all the return subscribers. Thank you so much, and those ones who have been commenting, thank you so much. Yes, and I still want to thank you uh, so much for the gifts that you give me. Yes, thank you, and really, I feel blessed, and I feel like people appreciate the work that I do. Yes, this time around, this video is just going to be funny because my client came, but she's crazy. She's crazy. I've never plaited this color of braids, and seriously, and even the hair, the way it looks, it is very, very complicated, but we are going to try to get something from it. And that's why I would say that, please, if it's your first time to be on this channel, just know that we learn every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So let's do this together. And if you haven't subscribed, please do it, because this channel is where you find all types of hairstyles. So this is how it goes, and we are going to do it right. I'm going to be plaiting cornrows, but this is natural hair, and now we are trying to get something from it. And she wanted to do a cornrow, and in this color. So this is what I'm going to be doing. So I told you, when it comes to the cornrows, I always do the inside cornrows, but this time around I should want the updo cornrows, the hand cornrows. That's how they call it. Yeah, it's what I'm going to be doing. So now I'd like you to give me attention, so that you can also see what I do. But this time around, since I've not yet tried doing this with short hair, I don't know how it's going to be. Maybe it will be hard for me, but I'm going to try it out to see what I can get from it, because I always tell you that, please, we should always try to keep on practicing. Practice makes us perfect. So I feel I'm not going to be scared to play this, even if it's going to be my first time to do the updo cornrows. I'll have to do it. Yes, I'll have to do it perfectly. So when you see these things coming out in the braids, sometimes it comes when the braid is dry, when you have not put the hair food on it, and still even the plating. So but after, if you want to not to do double work, you can just try to smear your braid with some oil. Yes, other things don't come out. But this time around, we didn't want to smear the oil, because sometimes when you use it, it changes its color, and for her, she wants it's pure the way it looks. So I'm going to be doing the braiding right now, the cornrows. So let's do this together. And we'll always start with a small one, and you just have to keep on adding. But this time around, I just don't know, but I hope I'm doing it right. And this is how it is. The color was real this yellow, but we have to do it just like that. What I realized about these cornrows is that when you're trying to add on, you should always try to add on like the equivalent sizes. Like when someone is when like you try to add on a size that is not right, still it will even show yes, it won't be neat. So that's why, like, you should always try to mind about the size that you always add on, so that it can be very easy for you to do it perfectly. So this is how I just keep on adding myself, and I continue this way. This is how I'm trying to do it. And with this design on top, I didn't want to put it inside, so that at least it can try to cover this other line. So this is how I'm trying to do it, and I hope I'm doing it right. I don't know, but yes, the hair is real short, and if it was kinky, it would have been better, maybe. But now, doing it with this synthetic material, trust me, it's very, very hard. It's not easy the way you think. So, this is how we do it. This is how I'm trying to do it. And trust me, I just, it's my first time to do this, but I see I'm doing it. So, what you're seeing that I'm applying, this is the molding gel. So I'm trying to apply it there so that it can help me to collect all the hair together. Yes, it can help me to collect all the hair together, and once I collect it together, that will be able to hold it perfectly. So yeah, this is what I use. So I remove the small hair, and this is what I start with, just like that. You see, so you see how the molding is helping me. Then I just keep on adding that way. Yeah, this one, even if I don't say too much about it, it's just a matter of practicing, because yes, there's nothing hard here. If you keep on practicing it, yes, we'll be able to do it. Yes, I want a big shout out to everyone who's watching me from United States of America, Kenya, Nairobi, those ones South Africa, Ghana, Nigeria. I love you so much, you guys. And I'd like to thank everyone from Canada, UK. Thank you for watching me. I always see your comments, guys. You're doing a great job. And I can't forget my friend Lucky from New Jersey. Thank you so much for something he gave me. I saw it. Thank you so much. Yes, one day I'll just come here and I open up all the gifts that this guy is trying to give me. Oh my god, I feel very, very good, and I'm very blessed. Thank you so much for that. And by the way, you shouldn't get twisted whenever you see hair by clippers. I told you, like, sometimes I do videos that are very long, mostly when we are trying to learn the dreadlocks and the other twists and the natural tangles. So I've decided to the other one, the weave-ons and more explanation, to be on the channel of our salon, because that's what we always do it as a team. Yeah, and that one is hair by clippers. So when you see here it is showing you to subscribe on hair by clippers, don't get twisted. That is our salon, that is a hair by clippers. So you can also go there and you subscribe on it, so that you can be able to mix the two. And I hope when you mix the two, you'll be able to learn a lot of things, because the other one gives the weave-ons and everything, and then there is explanation, then more explanation that I always talk about when we're in the other channel. Yes, because this one is mainly for tutorials, showing you these, and that's why I always don't want to skip other things. And then I decided to put the other one decided to put it on to put the weave-ons, the things that I use. So if you want to know about it, you can just go in the description, click on that link. Yes, it is hair by clippers. Subscribe on it, so that you just keep on combining the two. Yeah, if you don't understand something from this, then you go there, you'll be able to understand it. And guys, I don't know what I can say about it, but I think I'm doing it right. And please, I'm gonna sign out. But just know I love you so much, and I'm so excited. I'm very happy about everything that you guys do. Thank you so much. Can't forget to as Sarah, I always see you. I always see you commenting. I always see you. Thank you so much. And let me sign out. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and I love you so much. May God bless you.